Okay class, today we will be doing algebra. I have made a PowerPoint explaining it, and we will be going over it this lesson.
Miss, can I go to the bathroom please?
Sure, but be back as soon as possible.
Thank you. I am going to set off the fire alarm at school.
Oh no, the fire alarm has been triggered. Everyone get outside immediately.
Oh, thank God you guys could get here so soon.
It's no problem, sir. We'll go into the school and investigate where the fire is coming from. Sir, we've investigated your school, and we've found nothing. Someone must have set off the fire alarm on purpose to cause all of this.
Okay, thank you. Alright everyone, you may all go back to class. I wonder how the fire alarm went off earlier today. I'd better check the cameras to see.
I am going to set off the fire alarm at school.
Oh, that little brat, I had an idea it was him. Right, I better go find him now.
Hello sir, what can I do for you today?
I need to speak to Classic Caillou immediately.
Okay, Classic KSIU, the headmaster needs to talk with you.
So, do you know why I brought you over here?
No?
Take a look at this footage.
I am going to set off the fire alarm at school. I can explain.
There's no need. I have all the evidence I need right there. Classic Caillou, how dare you set off the fire alarm? That's it, you're suspended for 2 months, and when you come back, you will have 1 month's worth of detentions. Go home while I call your parents.
Classic Caillou, how dare you set off the fire alarm at school? You know you shouldn't do things like that.
I'm sorry guys, I didn't mean to cause any harm.
No, you'll probably do something like this again. That's it, you're grounded for 3 months. Go to your room.